Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the theme of Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Now navigate to the Qwenlm website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the theme of this web interface, here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. You can tap on it. Now select the settings options over here. In the settings menu, make sure that you are on the general section. Here in the web UI settings, you can see the theme option. There are different options on the right hand side that you can choose from. If you want to change it to the light theme, you can select the light theme. And the whole web interface is changed to the light theme. If you want it to be dark, you can select the dark theme and it will switch back to dark. So that's it. That's how you can easily change theme on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.